Good morning, student. Myself, Hansa, your maths teacher. Today we will solve the question from chapter 1, class 9th, and the name of the chapter is Number System. And the topic is Law of Exponent for a Real Number. Exponent, generally when we write x multiply x multiply x multiply x, a number x multiply x multiply x multiply x, where x is a real number, and this number can be expressed in what form? X power of x is 4, means 4 power of x. It means representing the power to which a given number can be expressed. It means how many times a number is multiplied, that will express in form of power, and which is equal to 4. This 4 is representing that x is multiplied itself by 4 times. X, y multiply y multiply y multiply y multiply y multiply y means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means y multiplied itself how many times? 6 times. Then we will write y 6. Y power of y is 6. It's called 6 power of y. And this y is known as base, and this 6 is power, or we can say exponent. If we want to solve on the basis of this, we can solve the different questions, and the some laws related to the exponent one by one we will discuss. First one is first part, a की power m, b power n, a power n. A power m multiply exponent of a is n. Base is same, and they are multiplied to each other. Then what will the answer? First point, if I will give an example. Power of 2 is 3, multiply power of 2 is 4. Then what is answer? It means how many times? 2 multiply itself. It is 3 times. 2 multiply 2, 3 times. And then this 2 is multiply how many times? 4 times. Multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 power 7. It means when base is same, this base is same, then power will add to each other in case of multiplication. Then we will write a m plus n. And now give me one example also. 3 power x into 3 power y. What is your answer? Tell me. Now answer it. We can write 3x plus y. This is the first law of exponent. And the b part, a power m, a power n, base same, and when they will divide to each other, then what is answer? Here is 2 की power 4 and 2 power 2 power 5, here is 2. Then what is the answer? How many times I have to write? 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And here is how many times I have to write? 2 times. 2 into 2. This 2 will cut, this 2 will cut. Answer is 2 multiply how many times? 2 multiply 3 times. Then answer is 2 power is 3. or we can do by this method. If base is same, and that means 2 power 5, and that will be goes in upward, and the sign will change, is equal to 2 power 3. And now we will apply the same at here. A power m upon a power n. The answer will be a. This is m, and this is goes in upward minus n. One example also on the basis of this one. 7 x power 5 divided x power 15 x power 10 is equal to, answer is x power 15 minus 10, which is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, x power 5. This is the second example. And the third, C, a power m whole power n. Then what is the answer? 3 power 2 whole power 3. What is the meaning of this one? 3 power 2. How many times? It is multiplied how many times? 3 times. We can write what? 3 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 3 power 2. And that will be 3, 3, 3. Base is same. When base is same, then power will add to each other. Means 3, 2 plus 2 plus 2. This formula, this law is based on first. Go to the first law. Base same, power will add to each other. That will be 3 power 6. But it means we can write also 3 power 2 whole power 3. Your answer was 3 power 6. Then we have to multiply. Direct answer we have to multiply. 3 power 2 multiply 3 is equal to 3 power 6. And what is answer at here? A power m into n. This dot represents the multiplication. And now example again. 3 power 5 whole power 2 is equal to 5 multiply 2, 3 power 5 multiply 2, 3 power 10. It is your answer. This is the third law. And the fourth law, D part. It is clear? Fourth law is A, B whole power n. Now what is the answer? This m is the power of A and power of B also. It means 3 into 4 power 2. That means 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 power 2. It means how many times I have to write 12? 2 times. 12 into 12. Here is factor of 12. 3 into 4. Here is factor of 12. 3 into 4. It means 3 and 3. 3 power 2, 4 into 4, 4 power 2. This is the first method. Or we can also write 3 multiply 4. How many times? 2 times. Or 3 multiply 4. This will be same. Then base same, power add. 4, 3 power 1, 2, 4 power 1, 4 power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And for this, what will be the answer of this one? Now tell me yourself. Here is power of A is m, power of B is m. Similarly, A, x, y whole power 3. Then what is the answer? Power of x is 3 and power of y is 3. And this is the fourth law and fifth law. This is multiply in case of divide. A upon B whole power n Here is multiply, here is divide. The method is same. We have to apply the same method. It means m is the power of a as well as m is the power of b. Mean we can write power of a is equal to a. Here is upon power of b means p m. It means 3 upon 4 whole power 2. We have to open bracket means what is the answer? 3 power 2 upon 4 power 2. 3 power 2 means 3 multiply 3 and 4 power 2 means 4 2 time multiply. 4 multiply 4. Then answer is 9 upon 16. Or this is the form. And now F part. If a there will be negative, power is negative, then answer will be, can you tell me, for example, a power 2 upon a power 3 is equal to, here is base same and power is base same and the exponent are divided to each other, then this will be goes in upward. A power 2 minus 3, answer is a minus 1. And again a power 2 upon a power 3 means a how many time multiply? A power 2 means a multiply how many time? 2 time. A multiply a. A multiply how many time? 3 time. A multiply a multiply a. This a will cut. Then what is answer? Here is 1 and a, 1 upon a. I think left hand side is same. Then we can say right hand side is also same. So that means a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. If a power minus 2, a power minus 2, that means 1 upon a power 2. A power minus 2 is equal to a upon minus a upon 1 upon a power 2. How? One example is also a power 3 upon a power 7 means what? How can you write? A here is 3 and here is 7 minus 7. A 3 minus 7, a minus 4. And now second, a 3 upon a 7. A multiply how many times? A multiply a multiply a. A how many times multiply? A multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a. 2 3 4 5 6 and this is 7 8 7. And what is your answer? We have to simplify. 1 2 and 3. How many are left? 1 2 3 4. So that means 1 upon a power 4. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Left hand side are same, so therefore right hand side is also same. So then a power minus 1 is equal to, we can write in what form? 1 upon a power n. Again example, a power minus 5 is equal to, in what way we can write? 1 upon a की power 5. And now G, a 3 upon a 3 is equal to a 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to a की power 0. What is that? A power 0 which is equal to 1. It means power of any real number if 0, then it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. X power 0 equal to 1. A power 0 equal to 1. T power 0 is equal to 1. Why? X power 3 upon x power 3 is equal to x how many times? 3 times. x multiply x multiply x. Here is x is multiply how many times? X multiply x multiply x. X cut. This x cut. And this x, what is that? 1. Therefore, if 0 of power of any real number will be 0, then the value will be equal to 1. It is verified here. And now, h, this x means, what is the meaning of this one? This is the square root of x. Means we can write this in what form? X power half. X power half. It means it represents 2 at here. Root x means here is 2. It is need not to mention for root. If it is written at 3 root, third root, we will say third root of x. Third root of x. Then we have to express x 1 by 3. And nth root of x. Nth root of x mean x 1 by n. If anyone will ask from you 6th root of 5, what is your answer? What is your answer? 5 power 1 by 6. It means, again, if I want to ask reverse of this one, 6 power 1 by 3, this, how I can write? Root, this 3, this denominator will come in here and this will be base. And this numerator will be here. If I will ask x power 1 by n is equal to, this will be in square root, here will be x, here is denominator and here is numerator. Is it clear? For example, again, it means in what form? Root x, here is numerator, or here is denominator. One example is also x power 5 upon by 3. In what form I can write? This x and this denominator at here and this 5 will be in power. Is it clear? And last, hi, x power n whole power is n. How I will write? This is the same. If you will forget this one, it means what I will do now? X power 1 by n. And what was it here? M. It means whole power is m. Means this m is multiplied to this one. It is numerator. It means we can write directly x m upon में n. X m upon में n. For example of this one, x power 5 whole root is 3. Then x 5 upon में 3. It is your answer. Take one example also for this. Is it clear? We will solve one or two example of this one. Now, simplify a part. Simplify 9, 3, 27 power 4 whole power third. 27 power 4. It means in what form we can write? This is 27 fourth upon में 4 upon में 3. Base numerator upon में denominator. And this 27 we have to factorize it. What are the factor of 27? What are the factor of 27? Here is 27. 27 divisible by 2? No. 3. 27 how many times? 9 times. Here is 3. What will be the answer? 3. 1. 1, 2, 3 means 27. We can write 3 whole power 3 into 4 upon 3. And now we have to apply which formula? X power m whole power n. This 3 multiply to this one. This 3 multiply to 4 by 3, mean we can write 3 power 3 into 4 upon 3, and this 3 will cut. And now what is your answer? 3 power 4, and we have to write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 81. It is your answer. Question number next. One part is also we have to do 625 minus 1 by 2 whole power first to solve it. We have to factor of 625. Can you solve it? 625 factor of 625. You can do direct 25 into 25. You can solve 25 into 25. You can do, no problem for that. You can write 25 multiply 25. But I am not solving by this method. 625. We have to factorize it. 625. It is in table of 5. Now divide it. 1, 2, 5. Here is 5. 2, 5. Here is 5. 5. Here is 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 625. 625 is equal to 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Means 5 की power 4. This is 625. Means I have to put 625 is equal to 5 power 4. Means here what I have put 5 की power 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. This 2 1 ja and this is 2. And this 2 is multiplied to minus 1. 5 power minus 2. 2 1 ja 2. And this will be 1 upon 5. This minus will be plus when it will transfer to the denominator 5 की power 2. And then we have to multiply 2 times. 1 upon 5 into 5 is equal to 1 upon 25. It is your answer. Please check it again. 625 whole power minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4. And you know the factor of 625. You have to do 625. You have already noted. This is 5 power. This is 2. This is 5 power 4 minus 1 by 2. What should I do now? This multiplied to this. 5 की power 4 multiply 1 by 2, and this is minus 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4. This 2 is multiplied minus 1. It means 5 power 2 into minus 1. 2 1 ja 2. 5 minus 2, and this will be equal to 1 upon 5 की power 2 is equal to 1 upon 25, and it is your answer. Is it clear? And now complete exercise from your book. Last exercise which you from your book. Last exercise from your book complete. Be a good day. Be safe at home. Thank you.